A scale ruler has different sides and markings. These markings are essential for various types of measurements and are used in many fields, from construction to design. One side usually has a 1-to-1 scale. This means that 1 unit on the ruler is equal to 1 unit in real life, making it straightforward for direct measurements. This is the actual size, which is particularly useful for tasks that require precise, real-world dimensions, such as measuring materials directly. You will find other scales on the other side, like 1-to-20 or 1-to-50. These scales are used to represent larger objects in a smaller, more manageable size. These are the most common scales used in construction drawings. They help in translating large structures into detailed plans that can be easily understood and followed. The markings on the ruler represent feet, inches, and fractions of an inch. This allows for a high degree of accuracy when measuring and planning. On a 1-to-20 scale, for example, each marked division might represent 1 foot in real life. This is particularly useful for creating scaled-down versions of large objects. Smaller lines between these divisions represent inches. These finer measurements are crucial for detailed work where precision is key. This helps you take precise measurements, ensuring that every part of your project fits together perfectly. Whether you're working on a small model or a large building, a scale ruler is an indispensable tool. When using a 1-to-50 scale, each unit on the ruler represents 50 units in real life. This is useful for large-scale projects where you need to condense measurements. A common mistake is misreading the scale. Always double-check which scale you are using to avoid errors in your measurements. Ensure you are using the correct side of the ruler for your specific task. This simple step can prevent many measurement errors. By understanding and correctly using the different scales, you can achieve precise and accurate measurements, making your work more efficient and reliable. Let's say you're using the 1-to-20 scale. You measure a line on your blueprint that's 2 inches long. Because it's a 1-to-20 scale, every inch on the ruler equals 20 inches in real life. Therefore, the 2-inch line on your blueprint represents 40 inches in real life. 2 times 20 equals 40. Always double-check which scale you're using to avoid mistakes. Section 4. Bricklaying examples. In this section, we will explore the practical applications of bricklaying techniques using scale rulers and precise measurements. Imagine you need to build a wall 3,000 millimeters high. This is a common scenario in many construction projects, and accurate planning is essential. On a 120 scale drawing, the wall would measure 150 millimeters. This scaled-down version helps you visualize the actual dimensions. 3,000 millimeters divided by 20 equals 150 millimeters. Using this calculation, you can ensure that your measurements are accurate and consistent. This helps you plan the brick layout before you start. Proper planning can save time and reduce errors during the construction process. You can also use the scale ruler to check the width of your mortar joints. Ensuring that these joints are uniform is key to a sturdy and aesthetically pleasing wall. Consistent joint widths are crucial for a professional finish. This attention to detail not only enhances the structural integrity, but also the visual appeal of the wall. By mastering these techniques, you can achieve high-quality results in your bricklaying projects. Section 5. Key points to remember. A scale ruler helps you accurately translate blueprint measurements to real-life sizes. Always double-check which scale you're using on the ruler. Practice reading measurements on different scales to build your confidence. In this section, we will make a wall 2,000 mm. With practice, you'll find the scale ruler an invaluable tool for accurate and efficient bricklaying.